Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have a very beautiful, amazing, and very ravishing, stylish story of Christy Brinkley. I'm sure most of you have heard her name. She's an American model. She's an American actress. She's an American entrepreneur, and she has authored one book also, right? So she is amazing, multi-talented. Um, she has started modeling in her teens, and later on, she has signed a contract with CoverGirl magazine for 25 years, and it is the longest contract ever in the history. Yes, and she has been featured on more than 500 magazine covers. Um, and in her, why I'm covering her, because she's 67 right now and still she is a model. And she has been named 100 hottest women of all the time, and her rank was 16 and she was 57 years at that time. And she has been voted as most sexiest woman of all time in the world, and she was above 50 at that time also. Yes. And there are so many titles which she has won after 50, and she's amazing. I mean, before 50, of course, she has won many titles, but she is the one model who has won many titles even after 50s, even after her 50s. And she's an inspiration to every model, every actress who just start feeling that they are getting older in 30s or 40s. She is 67 and she's still modeling, and people feel that she has beautiful face and most amazing features. And if you will see, her features have been changed the way she was younger. Uh, as And here I have my wellness mantra, and I'll be posting her Wikipedia profile. You need to go through, because there are so many achievements I would not be able to complete and finish it off in just few minutes video. um, you can go through her achievements and all the books she has authored. And she's after 25 years also, she has been in the contract again with CoverGirl magazine. They have renewed the contract for matured skin products. I'll just tell you the wellness mantra. So if you really want to become something, you need visualization, right? So I'll tell you what is visualization. Suppose if I say that I want a rose, right? My brain would not know that which rose she's asking for. It may be a girl who is named Rose, maybe one of my friend, or maybe it's rose water, or maybe it's a rose flower. But which color rose flower? It's white, pink, red. So my brain starts searching for answers. But if I'm very specific and I visualize that I want red rose, right? So that will be there. I'll just give you one example. Suppose if you want to get married, or if you want to have children, right? You will start seeing everything related to children or marriage stuff. So it was already there in the universe, but how come you started seeing? Or if you plan to buy one particular cloth, or maybe some one particular car or one particular mobile, you will start seeing that mobile everywhere around you. How come? It was already there in the universe. But when you decided, you start seeing that. You start visualizing. It is the power of visualization. So please visualize properly whatever you wanted. Someone might be uh, not comfortable, with that very big cameras. So someone wanted something handy, so they have created this phone camera, right? Where we can shoot the videos and we can actually post the videos. So first, it has to be here. Whatever is there in your mind, it will actually come your reality, right? So never underestimate the power of visualization. So as I told you, when you chant, you need to visualize also. Suppose if you are chanting, I'm beautiful, right? So you need to visualize what is beauty you are looking for. What is beauty for you? How do you want to see yourself? Suppose you look beautiful maybe in your teens, so you can picture your teens photograph. Just close your eyes and say, I'm beautiful, I'm beautiful, I'm beautiful, and just start visualizing your teenage photograph. mind it guys, that's the wellness mantra, and my face is same from 10th class because I have been visualizing my this face only. I have never used any algorithms because I never wanted to change my facial features. I was comfortable with whatever God has blessed me. So you you can actually maintain the same appearance of whatever you are. This is just one example. Otherwise, if you really want something, a house or a car or maybe any wealth you want to attract, but your intention should be pure. I mean, it's very important what are your intentions, right? So please keep on visualizing and keep on sharing this wellness mantra, and I hope I'm clear with the visualization part, how you need to do and what you need to do, and uh, what is the procedure to do that, right? And while chanting, how you need to do. So please keep on sharing the wellness mantra with everyone who need this, because everyone has something or another to get fulfilled, right? So please share this wellness mantra with everyone, and share this inspiring motivational story with everyone, for all the girls who feel that they are older or they can't do anything in modeling. Please take inspiration from such stories. And she looks amazing. She just look like me or any other young girl who who is not married. I mean, she's very beautiful, very beautiful. You can actually go through her profile, and she has married 4 times. She has children also. So I'll be posting the link in the Wikipedia, of Wikipedia in the description box. Please go through and share this story. So gratitude always. Bye bye. Take care and enjoy this festive season.